Alright, so this is my setup. As you can see, Samuel's video is playing in the background. I'll subscribe to it. Here's my screen. It's probably the nicest thing I own. 1080p, fun 44Hz. Very nice. I've got an Xbox controller. Cables. That's for the controller. A scuffed pair of headphones. Mouse, Rival 100. I've had this for a long time. Here's a Dell Office keyboard from pre-2010. I've got plastic spoons. Plastic spoons, bowl, bookcase, books, and stuff. As you can see, my cables aren't even attached to my computer. I don't know what 90% of these are. I think that's a charger, and I think that's mini USB.